but it doesn't. And now yeah, it's fully adjustable back, and so you can even go like this, right? Okay, so this is the vehicle fan. It comes with 2 fans and mounts to the back of the headrest on either the driver or passenger seat in the car, and it has a built-in battery. So technically this one you can turn it on even if the car is off, which actually makes a lot of sense here. So this one, it comes with, there's a black, this one's black, it comes with a silver. It's got a clear fan or a yellow one. I guess this one is the yellow. So you can rotate the angle of the fans, and then the base can rotate 360. All right, so let's open up, take a look at what it looks like here. So this goes to the back of the seat. And then what you do is take these off. It goes into the headrest mounts, the bars. And once it's in, you put this in and you lock it in place. So it's rubber on both ends here. So you just turn it until it's tight and it's locked in. And then this is the arm or the fan. So you can lock it up. And then we've got the ball mount here. And then this is, oh, to extend it. Nice. Okay. So let's see. Comes with the 12 volt with 2 USBs, USB to USB-C cable. I don't think this is 6 feet, but to give you an idea, it's more like 4 feet. Okay, now let's take a look at the fan here. We've got the USB connection in the back here, the side here. So yes, it rotates, and we've got 2 buttons at the very top here. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, second level. Level 3 speed. It's pretty good. And then off. Let's try the other one. Pretty good. All right, let's see how fast this wind is moving here. So if we go unit, what do you guys want? Meters per second. Okay. So it is moving at about 3.9 meters per second, or 14 kilometers per hour. This is on level 3 speed. So I think this thing is running out of batteries, because I can hear that it's kind of slowing down. So let me just charge it right now quickly with my battery bank here. And plug it right to the USB-C port. There we have a little white. Now we're showing we have a little white LED light there indicating that it is charging. So we're going to let it charge for a bit. Alright, so it's been charging for about an hour now. Let's test the fan speed. Alright. So it's going a little, it's a little faster now at 15 kilometers per hour, or yeah, 4.1 meters per second. 4.2, and then if we turn on the other one, yeah, okay. So definitely better now that we have more power and the fans. Alright, so let's go install this and see how it works in the car. Actually, here, let's snap this in. So first what you want to do is take this off, and then you want to put it in the, just kind of leave it here. Then what we're going to do is snap this in, just push it in, right? And then we're gonna tighten this back up. Like so, right? And now we can just install this in the car. Okay, so to install it, so these are the headrest posts, right? And then, as I said earlier, you just kind of put it through here, and then you can decide right now if you want to mount it this way or this way, but I guess it doesn't really matter because everything is, you can just rotate it. So I'm going to do it this way. And then right now I am going to adjust it on the headrest, and what I'm going to do is push everything as much as I can to the center. So I'm going to push these guys over, unscrew this, and this one, and then we're going to align it like so, and then now we're going to twist them back on. Super windy today. Okay, so I just want to tighten these up. Okay, pretty tight right now. And then we can adjust this. So right now you can see, well, I mean, this is kind of annoying, but then I don't think I'm going to be using this that much, so it's okay. So you can, you know, adjust it like so. And then this can also, I mean, you can move this all over however you want. So okay, so the fans only have the angling here, but you can also pivot up and down through the arm on this side. So you can adjust. It's fully adjustable basically. And then you can even bring it closer to your rear passenger by going this way, right, this way, this way, this way. You can even bring it to yourself, this way, right, or your front passenger. So this way you can't really aim it at yourself that much, but then again, you do have the vents in the front. This is mainly for the passengers in the back. And so you can even go like this, right? And then angle it out like so. So one on the left, one on the right. You can even go like this. And then, okay, so let's just turn it on. So we're at level 3. I'm gonna move back a little bit here. And yeah, that's perfect. Feel a very nice strong breeze in both of them. Very good. So I guess it really depends on your vehicle, but for my vehicle, this Honda Element, there is no ventilation in the back. So gets pretty stuffy back here for anyone who's sitting back here. So this would be a great alternative if, you know, your vehicle is in this kind of setup. And the fact that this is battery powered, so you don't need to have the vehicle on to operate it, is a huge bonus. So, you know, if you're just sitting in the car, right, then you can just turn this on. I am going to plug this directly to the 12 volt through USB, but every car is different, so I'm not really going to show you. But yeah, pretty good. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.